Are you starting a business in Georgia? If so, good call. Whether you're turning a passion into a profit or going all in on a new venture, making it official with an LLC is a smart first move. And we're here to walk you through exactly how to do it. By the way, if business tips like this are your thing, go ahead and hit subscribe and tap that bell icon so that you stay in the loop for more LLC content. All right, let's get you set up. So what makes Georgia a great place to form an LLC? Forming an LLC isn't just about looking more legit, it's about protecting yourself. Your personal assets stay off the line if your business hits a legal or financial snag. In Georgia, it's affordable, it's efficient, and business friendly. The filing fees are reasonable, the process is mostly online, and the state makes it super easy to get started. Coming up with a name for your LLC is fun, but let's make sure it's legal. In Georgia, your LLC name must include limited liability company or an abbreviation like LLC or L.L.C. It also has to be distinct from any existing business name in the state. You can double check name availability on the Georgia Secretary of State's website. And if you're not ready to file yet, no worries. You can reserve your name for 30 days. That'll cost you $25 if you do it online, or $35 if you mail it in or file in person. A registered agent is just someone, either a person or a service, who agrees to accept legal documents for your business. They need to have a physical address in Georgia and be available during normal business hours. You can act as your own agent, but many business owners choose a professional service, usually costing $50 to $100 per year, to keep things simple and private. Now, this is where your LLC officially comes to life. You'll file a form called the Articles of Organization with the Georgia Secretary of State. You can file online for $100 or by mail or in person for $110. Filing online is faster and you'll get confirmation within a few days. Once it's approved, congratulations, your LLC now exists. Now, some banks and lenders may ask for certified copies of your formation papers. If you want a certified copy, you can request one for about $20 or more, depending on the document. Now, the short answer to this question is yes. Even though Georgia doesn't require it, an operating agreement spells out who owns what, how profits are shared, and how decisions are made. If you're a solo founder, it's still smart to have one, and if you have business partners, then it's absolutely essential. Think of it as a prenup for your business. Next up, your employer identification number, or EIN, is like a social security number for your business. You'll need it to open a business bank account, hire employees, and file taxes. It's completely free and takes just minutes to get from the IRS website. Keeping business and personal finances separate isn't just a good idea, it's essential for protecting your LLC status. To open an account, you'll likely need your EIN, your Articles of Organization, and sometimes your operating agreement. Now, depending on what your business does, you may need to register for sales tax, employer tax, or a professional license. You can register through the Georgia Tax Center, and if you're unsure what applies to your LLC, it's a good idea to speak with a tax pro. To keep your LLC active in Georgia, you'll need to file an annual registration each year. The cost is $50 and it's due between January 1st and April 1st. Miss the deadline and you risk late fees or worse, administrative dissolution. Set a calendar reminder and knock it out online. Now, we totally get it. Starting a business can feel like a lot, and that is where Simplify LLC can come in. We help with everything from name checks and filings to acting as your agent and keeping you on top of your deadlines. Check out the link in the description or visit simplifyllc.com to check it out. And that's it. Now you know what it takes to start an LLC in Georgia. If you're ready to make it official, simply head over to simplifyllc.com to get started. And once again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. We're here to help you launch something strong and grow smart. So, we'll see you in the next video.